Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create a campaign in Meta Ads Manager, the all-in-one platform for running ads on Facebook, Instagram Messenger, and the Audience Network. So, first of all, log into Meta Ads Manager. This is your control center for creating, managing, and tracking ads, with powerful tools for targeting, budgeting, and measuring performance. Now, click on Ads Manager from the left sidebar. Click Campaigns. Now, here you will see the Create button. Click the green Create button. Here, you will choose a campaign objective, awareness, to reach as many people as possible. For example, choose traffic under consideration. If you want people to visit your website or online store, or just select awareness from here for this tutorial. Click on awareness, then click continue. Now, here your campaign. Name your campaign and add set clearly for easy tracking. Now, write the first campaign. Now check all the details. Click categories. You can select the social issues. Then click the next button. From here, you can add or link your page. Just click link page and select your page. And now back again and click next. Or you can select the country name from here like this. Set your budget, daily or lifetime. Define your audience by location, age, gender, interests, and behaviors to refine targeting. For ad placements, beginners should use Advantage plus placements for automatic optimization. From this page, you will see first the Facebook page name, then set budget, start date, audience, location, age, and gender. You can select the language from here, then click next. Now design your visuals. You can create professional images or videos in Canva. So open a browser, search for canva.com, search for video or images. For this tutorial, I will use video. Then pick a template, customize text and graphics. Then download your creative. Now go back to your Ads Manager tab, upload it to Meta Ads Manager, add your primary text, headline, description, URL, and call to action button. Enable Meta Pixel to track actions after people click your ad. When ready, hit publish. Watch your results in the Ads Manager dashboard. You can pause, edit, or duplicate campaigns to test new ideas. Start a small experiment and let the data guide your strategy. So now just you can select the aspect ratio from here, then click publish and follow the prompts. So that's it. You have created your first Meta Ads campaign in 2025. Keep refining your approach and your skills will grow with every campaign you launch. So if this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next video. So keep watching our channel.